The interview question is how to differentiate declaration tag variables from scriptlet tag variable being from scriptlet when both variables have got same name. Okay, so let's have an example. The example is and I'll check. I'm trying to prove practically. So example is, so this is declaration tag. This is what? Declaration tag. And this is what here? Scriptlet tag. In the declaration tag, I created a variable called a of type integer, which holds a value of a 10. And this is just HTML code. Just I'm breaking a new line and putting all the content in center of the page. And next is what? Integer a, and whose value is 20. I assign the value is 20. And I'm trying to print the value of a. Okay, out.println variable a value is this.a. Right now, right? And let me create some others. Let me create some, but okay. First, let me. uh, can I put the comment lines here? Can I keep all these things in comments? Huh? So left angle bracket, comment. Okay. बराबर है क्या? Save. Let me refresh first. All vanish. Empty. Is it empty? Just I refresh, nothing. Because all placed in a comment lines. Okay, it will reload again. Fine. Fine. Here I don't need now. Because already H1 center. Right here? Variable save. Just save. And let me refresh the same program. Let me refresh the same declaration example.jsp. Whoever told me like the answer is 20, why I got 10? You might have heard about the concept called this.a. Okay. Whenever you create a local method, let me have an example. One more example. The explanation for this is okay. So public class demo. Please brush up your core Java knowledge or J2EC knowledge. Okay. Integer a. This is class level instance variable. Right? I can access this variable by using method object name outside of the class, and within the class I can able to access this variable by using this, and this belongs to current class reference. Right or wrong? Huh? Is it true? So now I'm creating a method. Maybe I can call method public void method 1, and here is my int a, right? Int b, and this is the body of my instance method within the demo class. And here I wish to initialize this a value, okay, to this a value, right? So what is happening here? So here a, this dot a assignment operator a. What this means is a assignment operator a. So to differentiate this, which is class level variable and which is method level variable, you should use this dot a. So this a belongs to this a class level instance variable, and this a belongs to this method level variable. Understood? Now just go to this example. Now this is class level variable, class level instance variable, right? And this is what? JSP service method level variable. What I'm trying to do, I am calling JSP service method level variable or class level variable. And then what is the class level variable value? A, nah, because what I did here, this dot a, this dot a. So definitely you should expect the output as a 10. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Fine, guys. So Let me add some more declarations. So what should I do? I'll add some more. I wish to get this class object. Which class object? This declaration example underscore JSP. I want to create the object from mine. I want to create the object from from externally or from program point of view. How do I create? So I need this class name. I need this class name. So declaration JSP dj. Okay. Can I able to create? Can I able to create? Assignment operator page. It's a page scope, right? Page is implicit object, right? Yeah. So let me typecast. Typecasted. Okay. Typecasted. Right? Yeah. So this dot a or day. You can use this one also. Now let me print the value. Let me print the value. So how do I print? So control C. Let me print here value. So here declaration tag a value is. Now I want to use this class, this declaration tag. Declaration tag a value is. So I will call here dj dot a, right? Now let me call my directly own value. Directly own value. This is my a. And here if I call here only a, this will belongs to what? Scriptlet tag. Scriptlet tag a values. But let me put here break. Let me keep here break. This is already break. This is already what? Break. Fine guys. So let me refresh the program. Can you see now? Can you feel the difference? Huh? Actually, to confuse you, means to make you understand, I wrote this first line. Okay. To prove this statement how it works, I shown you a simple example, right? And now I try to prove by using other ways. So let me refresh my JSP page. Okay. Fine. So let me grab this code and put it for your notes purpose. Copy, just paste it here. Okay. This is not required actually. You can remove this. Okay. Do I delete this one? Delete. This is for example sake I shown you to make you more comfort. Fine guys. Look at here guys. One more thing I wish to make you clear. In my tomcat, I got this JSP equivalent solid class name is declaration example underscore JSP. If you go to Weblogic, you will get underscore declaration X. Right? If you use glassfish, you will get different name. If you use some other container, IaaS, you will get some different file name. JSP current solid file name. So in this way, this file name will change. This file name will change. Okay. So let me write this line. So for your information, so what is this here? So this is specific to tomcat based JSP container and not recommended to use. Because tomorrow if you change Weblogic, then does Weblogic provide the same class same JSP equivalent solid file name? Does WebLogic provide same JSP equivalent solid file name? No, right? It will provide underscore underscore declaration example, right? Glassfish will give some different name. As some different others, Java based web server will give different name. Are you getting? So that's what it is not recommended. If you use and if you use, it becomes this is specific to Tomcat based on a JSP container and not recommended to use. Right? What is WODA? Huh? Write once, deploy anywhere. Okay. Let me give this note point because in near future you may forget also. That is WebLogic page or this. What is your page? Page is object, right? What is this? This is also object, huh? Okay. Okay, I'll give this point later on. That is WebLogic based on JSP equivalent solid is underscore underscore declaration example, right? This will create a problem. This may create the problem or not. So it's not recommended to create this object in this way. To overcome this issue, you can place implicit object, कुठले कुठले? What are those? or page or this for above, for the above differentiation. ठीक है? Clear? Is it clear? Actually here typecasted. Here I have typecasted externally. Okay? But directly you will get the page class object. Directly you will get the page class object. Here you can write page of. Here you can write a page of. This will also work. Not here. Here. Here you can write a page of. So otherwise I'll keep in comment. What should I write here? Page.a. Page.a. Okay. Is it done, guys?